Hello children, welcome to Melu classroom. How are you all doing today? Wow, wonderful. You are doing wonderful today. Are you feeling energetic? Say hooray. Yes, hooray. And before going into our class, first shall we do breathing exercise? Come on, let's start breathing exercise. We will breathe in, breathe out for 3 times. Okay? Are you ready? Come on, let's breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. How are you all feeling? Wow, it feels us relaxed and peace. Very good. So, shall we sing a rhyme? Are you all ready? Yes, the rhyme is about food which gives us energy. Okay, start now. Food makes us happy. Food makes us healthy. Food makes us strong. Food gives us energy to dance and run. Dance and run. Dance and run. Wow. Shall we sing one more time? Come on, sing along with me. Food makes us happy. Food makes us healthy. Food makes us strong. Food gives us energy to dance and run. Dance and run. Dance and run. Yeah, it's very good rhyme, no? It's about food which makes us healthy and energetic. Okay, today we are going to learn about food. Before that, I came with this story for you all. There are so many friends in a class. There are so many friends in a class. So today we will talk about them, what they are doing in their class. Okay, are you all ready? Come on, let's show me a thumbs up to start the story. Yes, the story is about a little boy Junkie. Shall we call him? Come on. Okay, once there is a little boy named Junkie. See how he is? So sad. He sat in a corner of the class and he is always sad and even confused. See how he is? His name is Junkie. Yes, his name is Junkie, who is always sad and confused. He is not happy with him at all. So, all the children in the class like Happy Carrot, Happy Apple, Miss Cereal and Miss Milky. They are all happy in the class. They are playing here and there and they are very smart in the class. But Mr. Junkie is very sad and confused. And you know one thing, Mr. Carrot is a hero of the class. He takes care of the other children in the class. So, one day, Mr. Carrot came and asked Junkie, "Hello Junkie, why are you so sad? Hello Junkie, why are you so sad and looking so confused all the time?" Then, what did Mr. Junkie said? "See, my dear Carrot, I am not able to understand myself and I am not able to understand teacher. I am feeling so dull and I saw you people are so happy, but I am not able to be happy like you. What can I do?" And he cries again. Then Mr. Carrot says, "Oh no, don't cry, my dear friend. See, we are all so happy because we eat healthy food. I eat once or a while. I eat carrot. I eat apple, milk, and cereal, which are very happy and which makes us healthy. So we are happy and we can understand teacher a lot. Oh, is it? I think I should also change and be healthy like you all. Yes, you should be healthy like us. See, I take sometimes the help of apple to fight from the diseases, and I eat carbohydrates because which gives us energies. I eat cereal and even drink milk, which is very healthy and it builds our bones. So we are all together in the class. Yes, I know it. I will be like you and try to be happy. So, like this, Mr. Junkie want to change himself and be happy like carrot, apple, cereal and milk, as they are all happy together and help each other when they need. And Mr. Junkie wants to be like carrot and cereal. Wow, it's very good, no? Mr. Junkie wants to change. He wants to change himself with whole wheat bread, vegetables and good fruit juices. Yes, the Mr. Junkie want to change himself with using all good cereals and good fruits and vegetables. Good. Did you all like the story? And Mr. Junkie became very happy. Very good. The story is about Mr. Junkie. That means it's about junk food. And who are there in the story? Carrot, apple, cereals and milk. They are all good for health. Yes. Now tell me, children, Ria, what did you have in your breakfast? Oh, did you eat idli? Did you eat idli with chutney or sambar? Oh, you ate with chutney. Very good, very good. Next, Tina, what did you have in your breakfast? Oh, did you eat sandwich? Very good, very good. Sandwich with vegetables gives us energy. Yes. And what did you have, Ram? Oh, did you drink milk and cream? Yes, very good. Milk makes our bones energetic and it gives us calcium. Milk gives us calcium. But Ram, you should eat something before you drink, okay? Next time, let's make habit of eating something, okay? Morning, you should all eat, okay? And what did you have, Miss Uma? What did you eat now? Oh, did you eat chapati? Very good. Chapati is very good. It's a good cereal which made of wheat. Okay, now before going, let's see what food gives us what. Okay, let's go into our class. Come on. So children, what is the story about? The story is about Mr. Junkie, who is very sad. And who is the hero of the story? Yes, Carrot is the hero of the story. And what did Carrot say to Mr. Junkie? To be active in the class and to listen to the teacher, we need to eat healthy food. Is it not? Yes, Carrot said Junkie to be healthy. And what did Junkie told? Yes, my dear friend, from today onwards I will try to be healthy with all good cereals and vegetables and fruits. So they are all happy and they all played together. Now tell me, who is the hero? Yes, Carrot. And who is a friend to Mr. Carrot? Apple. Yes, they are Carrot and Apple, who are good friends. They always stay together. Yes, they always stay together. And what is this carrot is? Yes, you see the vegetable basket. In our vegetable basket, there is carrot. Yes, it's a good vegetable. It's in orange color. Yes, and it is good for eyes. Come on, show your eyes. Blink your eyes. Very good. Carrot is good for eyes. Shall we see the rest of the vegetables? Yes, this is our full vegetable basket and we got carrot in it. And next comes beetroot, which is red in color and it is good for iron. Ask Mama to give beetroot. It is very good. It fights with all the diseases. Okay, it's beetroot. And next, what is this? Do you know what is this? Oh, is it? Mama makes good curry out of it. Yes, in all the curries, we use a tomato. It's tomato and it is red in color and it's good in how it tastes. Come on, tell me. It's a little sour. That means it is rich in vitamin C. Yes. Okay, this is tomato and Mama makes good yummy curries with it. Very good. And what is this purple big one? Do you know what is this? Come on. It's brinjal or eggplant. Yes, it's purple in color. See the color? Yes, it's purple in color. It is also good in nutrients. Okay, it's brinjal. Next comes, do you know this is my favorite vegetable? Do you know what it is? It's lady's finger. Correct. It's lady's finger. And Mama makes yummy fries of it. Is it good? Yes, it's lady's finger. And next comes, what is this? Can you please tell me what is this? Take your time and please guess what is this? Yes, you are now big enough. You know all the vegetables. What is this? Yes, it's beans. What is this? It's beans. It's a long beans. It's a long beans and we can make good curries out of it. Okay, this is our full vegetable basket. As I told you, this is good for health and they are all good for nutrients. And even the same comes with the fruit basket. Come on, see how many fruits are there in our basket. Yes, we got banana. It gives us full energy. It's banana. You know it. Oh, Mama gives you daily in the morning. Yes, you should drink banana milkshake, banana. Okay, you should eat banana daily. And next comes, what is this? You know it, no? I told you it's a happy apple. Yes. You know one thing? An apple a day keeps doctor away. If you eat daily one apple, there is no need to go to doctor. It fights with the diseases. So, daily you need to eat apple. And what is your favorite fruit? Oh, is it mango? Yeah, mango is a seasonal fruit, but it is yummy fruit. Can you tell what is the color of mango? What is the color of mango fruit? Yes, yellow color. And it's a seasonal fruit. We get only in summertime. So when it is summer, we can drink mango milkshake also. Very good. And what is this? It's a orange fruit full of vitamin C. Yes, it's a orange and it gives us lot of immunity. Oh, you drink orange juice daily? Yes, good. When it comes, you need to drink it daily. It's also good for your health. It fights with diseases and it increases our immunity. What is this fruit, children? Yes, it's pear and it is rich in vitamin C. So children, the fruits which are green in color and which are sour, they are rich in vitamin C and they increase our immunity. That means they fight with the diseases. So children, please try to eat as many fruits as you can daily. Okay? Minimum you should eat either fruits or vegetables 5 to 7 times. 5 to 7 times daily. Okay? Ask mama to give you fruits and vegetables. Okay? You can eat like a curry. You can eat even in dal. Whatever you want. But please try to eat fruits and vegetables. As I said, an apple a day keeps doctor away. If the doctor is away and if you are not sick, you can play with your friends. Yes, you can play with your friends. You can go out with your mama, papa. Okay, so children, please try to eat fruits and vegetables as much as you can. Okay? Okay, very good. So, these fruits and vegetables, they always sit in the first row in the class because they won't allow any diseases, enemies in the class. So, they stand first in the class. As I said, carrot and apple, they are very good friends and they are the leaders. Okay? So, please eat fruits and vegetables when mama gives you, or else ask mama, give me apple, give me orange, give me carrot. Okay? So children, when morning I asked you, what did you have in your breakfast? You told you had idli. And one of you told you had sandwich. And one of you told you had chapati. So these are all of cereals which are rich in carbohydrates. What are they rich in? Carbohydrates. Yes, as I told, if we eat all this, we will be happy like happy cereal. Okay, now let us see from what we make this. Okay, see this? Do you know what is this? No, this is rice. Mama makes rice out of it. See? You know this? Can you tell what is this? Yes, when we boil rice, we get the boiled rice which we eat daily in our lunch or in our dinner. Okay? In our lunch or in our dinner. And even, can you tell what is this? This is wheat. It's a cereal. And when we blend this, it will be like a flour. and out of which we can make roti, chapati, paratha, whatever mama makes with wheat flour. Generally we eat in the lunch time and dinner time with some vegetables and pulses. Okay, this is our lunch or dinner plate. And as you told, morning you had idli, dosa or anything. It is also made up of rice and some pulses. So these are all good for energy. They give good energy. Children, do you all play the toys which had battery in it? Oh, yes, we all play with the toys. The toys have got batteries and which give energy. They make the toy to move here and there because the battery has got energy. In the same manner, the carbohydrates, that is cereals, are good to give energy to us. Even Papa puts petrol in the bikes. That is also one energy. Yes, that are energy for the batteries, energy for the toys, and petrol is energy for the Papa's bike. So children, as I told, our milk is always happy. It's a happy milk, isn't it? So we need to drink milk daily. And what is the milk gives us? Yes, it gives us calcium, which gives strength to our bones. Yes, we can play with our friends. We can fight. That is not bad fight, good wrestling like things we can play with when we drink milk. And let us see what are the milk products. Milk, which you drink daily. Mama gives you in the morning, no? Yes, we should always drink milk. And you know what is this? It's curd. We eat curd rice. Yes, curd rice, raita, that are all of curd, which is very good in calcium and it builds our bones. Okay, you know what is our bone? You can see, no? If you hold like this, there will be a strong body inside. That is our bone. Yes, we can feel the hardness. Come on, touch your hand like this. You can feel it. Yes, that is the bone. Okay, if you drink milk, it strengthens our bones. And even if you drink milk, our teeth also grows very healthy. Okay, come on, show your teeth. Yes, milky teeth. Yes, if you drink milk, you can get good teeth and your bones grow strong. And even paneer and cheese, but limited. Okay, they are all good for our bones. Milk, curd, paneer and cheese, they are all good for our bones and even for our teeth. They are rich in calcium. Okay, they are rich in calcium. Daily minimum 3 times you should either drink milk, eat curd, or you can have paneer in curries. Oh, you like paneer? Yes, paneer is very good in calcium. So daily you need to eat paneer or milk or curd and sometimes cheese, which we eat in our sandwich. Yes, whatever you eat, we should eat in a healthy manner. Okay, we should not eat too much. Yes, good. They're all good in calcium. And when we eat this, we will become like a happy milk. See how happy she is because she is strong. Yes, okay. Next, whenever mama gives milk, don't say no, 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 no. Okay, you need to drink milk and you can play actively with your friends with lot of energy. Okay? Okay. Next, what else we want? Yes, pulses, protein. Yes, you know our skin has got so many tissues. So let's see what are the pulses we need. Okay?